Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get an egg and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Grow a Garden 2 has just released a new NPC. It's called Auctioneer, and then you can go to the Auctioneer right here. Oops, where's the Auctioneer? Okay, this one. Sorry. And then you can talk to him and you will have an option to buy common egg, but it's pretty expensive. It's so pricey. But yeah, if you want to get egg, just go to the auctions NPC because it will be refreshed, always be refreshed. And if we have enough money or enough shackles, we can buy this egg from here. Okay guys, and that's how you can get an egg in Grow Garden 2 with Auctioneer. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.